Big, bright, beautiful moon up there again. Full moon. Over Florida. So very romantic. It's also romantic for girls kissing girls. You know, like Katie kissed the girl. And we all know why. Katie kissed the girl. But did she say goodbye? How sweet it is when Katie kissed the girl. On the other side of the coin, here's a early morning moon. Like a creature coming up over here over the lake. And it can be said that it is similar to a giant ball of fire. And sometimes we call this the sun. And according to my information off the dark web, you're supposed to get 45 minutes of sunlight in your eyes every morning by 9 o'clock. And they never specified how to do it, but I don't think you're supposed to look directly into the sun. They just kind of let it shine on your eyes, kind of obliquely or sideways or whatever you want to call it. And I'm not even sure that would be great. So I would recommend don't. Never look directly at the sun, even with a pair of sunglasses on, because you never know. You could hurt your most valuable asset, which in my opinion is your eyes. But that should be up to yourself, I guess, to determine what's best for your eyes. Mine's 81 years old, and I want to keep them all as I can. So have a good day. Tampa Bay. Or I should say Champa Bay. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose. May an elephant caress you with his toes. May your wife be plagued with runners in her hose. May the bird of paradise fly up your nose.